ever felt disgust with your own body after eating? It's not because you are weak. It's because your nervous system thinks food is your only escape. You don't binge because you love food. Obviously not. And not even sugar. You binge because you hate the feeling of emptiness. It's not, or the feeling of not being safe. Your body doesn't care if you are bloated. No, it just cares to keep you safe and that you survive. And for years, the only way to feel comfort was food and sugar. It started way before you ever noticed your body. Maybe when you felt love was unpredictable, or when being small meant you were less likely to be hurt, or that just you didn't feel the love that you deserve. Your body is not the enemy. No, absolutely not. It's the place you live. And it deserves peace, not punishment. You don't need more discipline. No, you already have that. You need more safety and love, more rhythm, and someone who finally gets it. If this spoke to you, it's not by accident. You don't need another plan. You need a mirror, a voice reminding you you were never broken. Please don't think about yourself that you are broken, because you are not. You were just unprotected. You need protection, love, and safety.